Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to look at the hourly chart of Nikkei, the Japanese index, and the Hang Seng, the Hong Kong index. And we are going to probably check the hourly chart, and the time frame of the chart could be from couple of hours to couple of days. And we are going to check how the trend has been shaped up. So first, the chart which you can see right now is the Nikkei 225 Japanese indices, and it's more like a consolidating and trying to going up kind of pattern, because after making a big high, the chart is consolidating and moving very slowly within the range. Okay, so there are no big moves which you could probably see, or it is, these kind of moves either lead to a big move on the upside or on the downside, because if the trend is compressed or getting narrower day by day, so what will happen meanwhile, that either it is waiting for something so that it would move very positively on the higher side, else on the lower side. So these two things could probably happen. Okay, but we don't know yet the reasons, the contours, so we could probably see in the days and in the months to come. And you can check here. So from this trend, what we can say right now is this one, there is another support level, yep, and one more on the downside like this. So this is probably the range, and what you could see here, that it is near to the support level at around 22,730, and there is a slight support at 23,689. So this is a range, probably a support range, below which if it breaks down, the next support will come at around 22,274 odd level, and then 21,962 odd levels. But because it is a trending upward trending chart and we can see these moves on the downside, so you could probably say there is a very high possibility that it would go to the previous highs, which is around 21,180 odd levels, because it is moving inside this channel and the channel trend is not yet violated right now, until now. So it's a very good thing. But the thing is, it has to move, the kind of trend which you can see, this one is very compressed. It is moving in a linear way, but the trend is getting narrower, you can see here. So either it will touch here and have a big bounce back, and it will consolidate and go further down, we don't know. But consolidating trend or the narrowing trend will move like this, and until and unless the chart gets broken or the trend gets broken, we can't say that it's going down. So but you can probably say, see, this is your for the short term, this is probably the support zone. So keeping this zone as a stop loss for short term, you can probably look for the upside, because anyhow the trend is not yet violated and it is moving inside the trend, so the next trend would be on the upside, is a fair probability. Moving on to the next, indices, which is Hang Seng. You can probably check, it is much more volatile, or way more volatile than its than the Japanese indices, and the moves are very, very violent either on the upside or the downside. So okay, so there is a support, here is a support which is trying to find out, but it is not yet established. So what we could probably do is you're going to look at the big trend and how the trend has been shaped up. So this is the trend which we have to look in the next couple of hours or in the next couple of days in the upcoming week. So this is what the chart is probably looks like. So for Hang Seng, it is indeed near to its support level, which is in between 24,790 odd level to 24,600. So this 150 point range is your support zone, okay, below which it could move toward 24,129 and then 23,660 odd levels. And on the higher side, the first resistance would come at around 25,300, then 25,870 and 26,760. So these are the levels on the higher side, but you could probably check here that the kind of volatility, from highs, it moved down 8% and in a week or 10 days time. So it's pretty big volatility which you can see in the Hang Seng indices, but when compared with the Nikkei, it's pretty much skewed and it is moving up. It's also moving up. This trend is moving up. You can say here, if I just made a line like this, but you can see there is no break in the trend, but this trend has broken and again going down. So this trend has broken here and trying to limping back on the upside. Let's see what will happen, but moreover it's within the range, and if it indeed takes support, the kind of volatility these indices have will probably again lead this price or the Hang Seng indices on the higher side. So this is the end of the video. If you like this video, then do like and share your thoughts in the comment section, and do like and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.